In this video, let's install the micro camera software. First, plug the USB flash drive and then micro camera into the computer. Find the installation package and double-click to install. Keep clicking Next during the installation. And then click the Install to install the driver. If you encounter an error like the one in the picture during installation, click Ignore. After installation, change the default camera to the USB camera in the settings. The software installation is done. In the next video, we will show you how to install the foot pedal battery. Let's check it out.